Hello, today we will guide you through how to add product to Gumroad account. To get started, open Gumroad and sign into your dashboard. This is where you manage your store, products, and sales, so it's the main place you'll use when adding something new. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation panel and click on Products. This section shows all the items you've already created, and it's also where you can begin setting up a brand new listing. At the top right of the Products page, click New Product. This will open the product creation screen where you can start entering the basic information for your new item. Now type in a sample name for your product. This is the title customers will see, so make sure it clearly reflects what you're offering. Even if you're just testing things out for now, it helps to use a name that's easy to recognize later. After entering the name, click on the sample product option shown on the page. This selects the product you're currently creating and moves you into the next part of the setup. If you're following along in your own account, just make sure you're choosing the correct item before continuing. Next, enter a sample price. This is the amount customers will pay, so take a moment to confirm the number is correct before moving on. If you're experimenting, using a temporary test price can help you get familiar with the setup process without overthinking it. When that's done, go to the top right and click Next, Customize. This takes you to the customization area where you can refine how your product appears and what details are included for buyers. Here, edit your product details. This is the part where you shape the presentation of your listing, so review everything carefully. Clear and complete information can make your product look more professional and easier for customers to understand. It's a good idea to read through each field before saving just to catch any small mistakes. Once you've finished editing the product details, click Save and Continue at the top right. This stores the information you've added and prepares the product for the final step. Finally, click Publish. Publishing makes your product live on Gumroad so it can be available in your account as a completed listing. Before you do that, it's always worth taking one last quick look over the name, price, and details to be sure everything appears the way you want. And that's it. You've successfully added a product to your Gumroad account